everyone, so for today's video I will make this Ruby Trois top that I found in Google, and it cost of $85, and I will make this out of this dress that I got for only less than $1. I chose this dress because I love its satin fabric, and I think it's going to be perfect for the top that I'm going to make. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I lay it flat and separate the front piece by cutting it. Then I cut a rectangle out of this with a width of 22 inches and the length of 19 inches. And if you want your top to be long enough, you can add 2 to 3 inches if you want to. Next, fold it in half and close the open seam with a straight stitch. After sewing, I turn it inside out and press it with iron. Then I fold the sides about a ½ inch and press it again with iron. Moving on, I pin the sides because it keeps on sliding, and then sew these sides with a straight stitch. Then sew a channel for the strap. From the top, I go down with 1.5 inches and same from the bottom, and then added a ½ inch for the channel. After sewing, this is what it looks like, and I made a bias by folding the sides and folding it again, and I sew it with a straight stitch. Then insert this strap in the channel, and instead of using pins, I use a stick because it's faster. I'm using now a thread and securing the strap to the stick, and you can now insert it in the channel. For inserting it, I seam rip first the holes of the channel. Then insert the strap in this pattern. This is super quick and easy, and this is the final transformation.